Have you ever hugged someone and felt nothing? And then hugged someone else, and for some reason, you couldn't stop thinking about it for the rest of the day? That's not random. That's not luck. There is real psychology behind why some hugs disappear from memory in seconds, and why other hugs stay in someone's mind for hours, even days. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple rules for small things you can change about the way you hug a woman that can quietly trigger deep, secret attraction. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what most men get wrong and what you can start doing differently. Starting today, let's get into it. Rule number 1. The pause before contact. Most men rush into a hug. They see her, they walk up fast, and boom, it's over in 2 seconds. No build-up. No moment. It feels like a formality, like shaking hands, nothing more. But here's what actually works. Right before you hug her, pause for just a second. Make eye contact. Let there be a tiny moment of here it comes. This might feel awkward at first, but psychologically, this pause does something powerful. It creates anticipation. And anticipation is one of the strongest triggers of attraction that exists. Her brain starts paying attention before you even touch her. Think about it like a movie trailer. A trailer doesn't show you the whole story right away. It builds you up first. That 1-second pause does the same thing to her brain. It says, pay attention. Something is about to happen. Rule number 2. Where you place your hands. A lot of guys think a hug is about how long it lasts. The longer, the better, right? Actually, that's wrong. What matters much more is where your hands go. Placing your hand on her upper back, near the shoulder blade, with a light but firm grip, that combination does 2 things at once. It makes her feel safe, and it makes you look confident. Safety plus confidence is a very rare combination. Oh. And when a woman feels both at the same time, that's when attraction quietly builds. It's not about squeezing tight. It's about being calm, steady, and sure of yourself, compared to men. One hugs with limp, uncertain arms, barely touching her back. The other hugs with a calm, steady hand placed with intention. Even if neither man says a single word, she will feel the difference immediately, and one of them will feel far more attractive than the other. Without either of them realizing why, rule number 3. Don't be the first to let go. In a normal, forgettable hug, both people let go at exactly the same time. It's automatic. It's mutual. And because it's so predictable, the brain doesn't register it as anything special. But if you wait just half a second longer than she expects, without letting go too early, and without making it weird, something interesting happens. Her brain notices the difference. It marks that moment as unusual, as different from every other hug she's had. And the brain remembers what feels different. That extra half second is often the exact moment she replay later that night. This is the same reason certain songs get stuck in your head. It's the tiny pause or twist that breaks the pattern. A predictable hug is instantly forgotten. An unpredictable half second is what sticks. Rule number 4. Angle. Not full frontal. Many men think a real hug means chest to chest. Fully facing each other, arms wrapped all the way around. But that kind of hug can actually feel too intense, especially early on. And it can make her feel like she needs to pull away faster. A slight angle where your bodies aren't perfectly lined up feels more natural. It feels more comfortable. And ironically, because it feels safer and less intense, it actually creates more of a lasting impression, not less. Comfortable moments are the ones people remember. Here's a simple way to picture it. A full frontal hug can feel like walking straight into someone's personal space with no warning. An angled hug feels like you're being invited in, subtle, respectful, and warm. That subtle difference is exactly what separates a forgettable hug from one that lingers in her mind. So here's the real question. Maybe it was never really about the hug itself. Maybe the truth is this. It's never the big, obvious moments that make someone fall for you. It's the small ones. A short pause, where your hand rests. Half a second of not letting go. A slight angle instead of a straight line. These tiny details are so small that most people never even notice them consciously. But the brain notices everything. And that's exactly why some people are unforgettable. And others are forgotten by the next morning. If this video gave you a new way of thinking about something as simple as a hug, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Every single week, we break down real psychology like this, things that actually work, explained in a simple way anyone can understand and use. And before you go, I want to know, out of these 4 rules, which one did you not know before today? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.